In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE chemistry problems under nature of matter. So guys, we have 7 repeated questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following has neither mass nor charge? So we have deuterium, neutron, gamma ray, alpha particles. So the right option will be option C, which is gamma ray. So gamma ray has no mass and charge. Alright, so that's about this question. The next question will be this one. It says the existence of two or more forms of the same element in the same physical state is known as. So the right option will be option C, which is allotropy. Very important. Next question will be this one. It says an atom, this atom, decays by alpha particle emission to give an atom Y. The atomic number and mass number of Y are so. In the emission of an alpha particle, it's going to lose 2 atomic number, proton number, and 4 mass number. Okay, so the right option would be, so in the process of emission, when this occurs, the loss of mass number and atomic number occurs, we're going to have 90. When it loses 2 atomic number, you're going to have 90. When it loses 4 mass number from this original value, you're going to have 234. The right option is option D. That is for this question. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about radioactive substance are or is correct? So we have, it emits radiation continuously and spontaneously. Yes. The emitted radiations are affected by temperature and pressure. No. The radiation can penetrate opaque matter. Yes. So the right option is I and I. Option A, I and I only. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. So it says proton and electron are called fundamental particles because they are the lightest particles. No. Are indivisible. No. Are found in all matter. Yes. Okay, so they are fundamental particles because they are found in all matter. Next, the question with this one. It says, consider the reaction represented by the equation. The reaction represents A. So looking at this reaction, this shows that this is nuclear fission. Okay, so nuclear fission deals with disintegration. Alright, whereas nuclear fusion deals with, kind of, instead of disintegration, you're going to have integration coming together. So this is nuclear fission, disintegration. So the last big question for this video will be this one. It says a beam of particles was passed between charged plates as illustrated in the diagram beside X, Y, and Z respectively. So X, Y, and Z in this diagram will be proton, neutron, and electron. Okay, so proton, neutron, and electron, option C. Proton is positively charged. Alright, the neutron is neutral, it has no charge. The electron is negatively charged. So since the proton is positively charged, it's going to move towards the negative plate, where the electron that is negatively charged will move towards the positive plate. Okay, so that's about this question. The right option is option C, proton, neutron, and electron. So guys, this is basically consider problems involving nature of matter for WASSCE chemistry practice with 7 video questions for this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.